This is a 2010 Honda Accord Crosstour. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, variable cylinder management, an electronic throttle, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
DCHK Honda is conveniently located at 200 Route 36 in Eatontown. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us at dchkhonda.com.